The Forest State Service has its own research station, forest research station here, in which we are going to visit this morning.
Density, and on the other side.
Sound though, right?
Move from, say, from left to right. And do you see at the, see here, it's, we can see rings, but the knot start, and we can really measure knot size.
Seems like everybody's stopped on the side of the road because they can't make it up.
People are pulling over to wait for the plow, I guess.
The street conditions are really difficult, and but thanks to the plow ahead, that was very useful and helpful, and of course also the experience of our driver, which is helpful under these conditions. So what's up next is we have a guide here through the Haus der Natur for the nature conservation, and Dr. Stefan Büchner, he will guide us through this collection and exhibition.
Seeing this beautiful lake, knowing nothing about these very special plants growing underwater, and what does he want to do? Go swimming. Okay, go swimming. This water's damn cold, you know, but never mind. I'm a man, I will do it. Touching this plant, something like this, and she, but why? The first problem with this plant is that it breaks at once. When you touch it, she will lose an arm or a foot. That's a reason to cry, of course. Down there. The so-called navel.
We're currently at Mount Feldberg, and as you can see, there's about 6 inches of snow on the ground up here, and they say that's pretty typical for this time of the year. And snow.
It was a lot like Canadian snow.
Today we got a chance to go to the Provincial Research Station for Forestry here in Baden-Württemberg. We got a chance to see how they use CT scans to scan their logs before cutting, and they do this in order to optimize how they cut the logs and get the most product out of their wood. And we also got to go to the House of Nature and get a tour, and he showed us all the different techniques they use to interact with the public and gave us some different facts on the actual nature reserve itself. And then we came back here and had a great supper and a lecture by the professor we're here with, and now we're all heading to bed.